In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the trailing stop in MetaTrader 5. If you currently have a trailing stop active on a trade and you want to turn it off, the good news is that this is very quick to do directly from the trading platform. A trailing stop is a feature that automatically adjusts your stop loss as the market moves in your favor. That can be useful in some situations, but there may be times when you want to disable it and return to manual control of the position. To begin, look at the toolbox panel at the bottom of your MetaTrader 5 window. This is the section where your open trades and positions are displayed. Find the specific position where the trailing stop is currently enabled. Before making any changes, it's always a good idea to double check that you are selecting the correct trade, especially if you have more than one position open at the same time. Once you have located the right position, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several trade management options. Take your time here and make sure the menu is fully visible so you can clearly see the available choices. From that menu, move your cursor over the option labeled Trailing Stop. When you hover over it, another submenu will appear. This submenu shows the different trailing stop settings that can be applied to the position. Since the goal here is to disable the feature entirely, you'll want to look for the option called None. Click on None. As soon as you do that, the trailing stop will be turned off for that position. This means MetaTrader 5 will no longer automatically move the stop loss based on price movement. If you still want protection on the trade, remember that your existing stop loss may remain at its current level, but it will no longer update automatically. That's an important distinction, so keep it in mind while managing your risk, and that's all there is to it. To disable the trailing stop in MetaTrader 5, simply right-click the position in the toolbox below, hover over trailing stop, and select None. It's a simple adjustment, but it gives you more direct control over how your open trade is managed. If you're following along inside the platform, make sure to confirm the change on the correct position before moving on. That way you can avoid accidental changes to any other active trades.